Question number 6 says that a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So the distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol is 43.2 kilometers. From this, we can calculate the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol as we divide 43.2 by 2.4. So now 43.2 can be written as 432 divided by 10, and this is divided by 2.4, which can be written as 24 by 10. Now the division of these two fractions can be written as the product of two fractions, wherein we write the first fraction as it is and we reciprocal or flip the other fraction. So 24 over 10 becomes 10 over 24 in its reciprocal form. We can cancel out 10 and 10. Now 432 divided by 24 gives us the answer as 18. So 18 kilometers is the distance that the vehicle can cover in 1 liter of petrol. And this is how we solve this problem.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.